Hello my beauties, welcome to my channel Bit of Beauty. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy and like to see more. So today's video will be a project pan or empties project. I have done these the last couple of years, mainly just to focus on using up products in my collection that I didn't really enjoy, so I just wanted to get them out. This year I'm only doing 10 and I'm making them really easy on myself because, like I said, I have done it in the last couple of years, so I have got the majority of the makeup and beauty items out that I didn't want to use. So this year we're only focusing on 10, and I may incorporate some more and do a bit of a rolling pan, but I'm not being too strict on myself. So we're starting with a cranberry antioxidant facial oil from Swiss. So this hasn't been opened, still sealed, and I do have a trick how to use these oils, which I will mention in a later video. This was part of a rolling pan last year, so I was down to here, the Davidoff Echo perfume. So we're getting to the bottom, and I do have other fragrances I would like to use up after I complete this one as well. So we've got that one. We do have the Garnier Skin Naturals Charcoal Scrub, Pure Active Intensive. I don't like this on my face, it's too extreme. So I do just use it on my body, and I'm just wanting to use it up and get rid of it, be done, clear up the cupboards. Then we have a Frankenstein. So I depotted a couple of bronzers. Didn't go well, they all crumbled. I repan them separately. They both shattered again, so I've Frankensteined it. So this was a Miki, just a $3 bronzer, quite nice, and it was mixed with a Makeup Revolution eyeshadow. So I'm just wanting to get that out of my collection now. It has gone a bit orangey. I don't know, not liking it how I used to like them individually. We have the YouTube famous LA Girl Pro Conceal. I have two of these. This one's in shade Natural. Yeah, I don't tend to use these at all. The only reason I sort of use them at all is to shape out my eyebrows, and I don't really do that terribly often either. So just wanting to get both of these out of my collection, but if I can get one out, that's a good start. Then we have the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. I've got a massive collection of mascaras happening, so I'm just wanting to start getting through them. Then we have the Mind Tan Liquid Bronze. Now normally I do enjoy the Mind Tan products. This one I've only just cracked open and it is full of shimmer. Yeah, you put it on and you sparkle yeah, shimmer all over. You go outside and all you can see is shimmer all over yourself. So wanting to use it up pretty quick, but I'm going to struggle because I really do not enjoy it. It does give a slight colour, but yeah, I really dislike that shimmer. It's full on. This one, Fanola No Yellow Shampoo, I've had for so long. This is a 1000ml. I did have a second one of this I ended up selling. Not a huge fan. It does do the trick. It does take a few washes, but I find it doesn't wash the roots of my hair. The roots of my hair still feel oily, like I've got to wash my hair again the next day, so I don't enjoy it that much, and I'm not enjoying the real ashy look that I did used to enjoy so much. I still like the ashy look, just not the extreme real grey look that I did used to have. So here we have the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover in shade 24 Golden Beige. This is like a very thick consistency foundation. It is full coverage, but I do tend to enjoy my Maybelline Superstay and Revlon Colour Stay a bit more. So just wanting to use this one up. I'll see how we go. It is 30 degrees Celsius today here, and I don't think it's going to last well in the weather. But I'll give you an update and see how we go and travel with this one. And it is quite dark. That's the issue. This shade is quite dark, so I need to use it during the warmer months. But then of course it is warmer and it's not going to last my oily skin. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. And then last, this was part of the pan project that I had last year. It's just a cheap Kmart foundation I got years ago, and it was down to here, so it's still about there, and I basically only use it on my neck and down because it's not full coverage enough for me. It is full coverage on, you know, if you have perfect skin, but I certainly don't have perfect skin. So just wanting this one out of my collection as well, and it's in the shade Tan. So there I have my 10 empties for the year 2019. I'm very confident I'll be able to get through all of these. items, as I have made it very easy myself. Other years I have struggled when I have, you know, 18, 17 makeup items. You know, it does get hard. It is quite difficult to get through them. Okay, so there we have it. That's a wrap. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.